Kung gusto mo ng peaceful pero accessible na area where you can stay in Tokyo, Japan, consider staying dito sa Nishi Shinjuku. May hotel recommendation ako na malapit sa train station, bus stop, convenience stores, food chains, and even a small park. Location is just a 4-minute walk to Nishi Shinjuku Gochome Station, which is part ng Uedo subway line. This means part siya ng unlimited train pass na mabibili mo sa Klook, and may promo code din tayo para makatipid. Within the same street, merong dalawang Family Mart, isang 7-Eleven, and food chains like McDo, Koko Ichibanya, Matsuya, and more. 3-minute walk lang, meron na ring park na pwede kang tumambay and magkape. Honestly, very happy kami dito kasi meron ding Starbucks doon. By the way, sa lobby may mga free toiletries, kuha ka lang if kailangan mo. Meron ding ice dispenser and free coffee. Actually, second time na namin dito kasi happy talaga kami sa location and sa room. For Tokyo standards, spacious siya, which is important kasi family of 3 na kami and ang dami talaga naming gamit. Buti madaming storage spaces for our stuff. Yung CR din, acceptable size and super linis with Japanese toilet and bathtub of course. Complete din with a ref, safe, microwave, and even a water kettle. Di mo na rin kailangan magdala ng travel adapter kasi naka-US plug naman lahat ng sockets dun sa room. This hotel is called Tokyo Stay Nishi Shinjuku and you can book this via Klook or Agoda tapos gamitin mo tong promo codes para sa extra savings. Hope this helps. More travel soon!